Hello everybody. So where do you reckon I am? At this is called Castle Kerry Rugby Club. Yes, we were here about a month ago or so for the Matt Black meeting, a spring meeting, but today is called Pott, and I left home around 7 o'clock in the morning. Today's Saturday. I know that, so I left around 7 o'clock, a little bit after that, and I made my way here, no problem. I'm just a little plonker anyway, because as soon as I arrived, I stopped the bike just over there near where she's at the moment, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I could just not tell you, but why not? I dropped the bike, I stopped, but I stopped with the front wheel on a dip, and the dip made my handlebars go to one side, and I had to kind of jump off the bike so the bike couldn't get on my legs. But apart from that, everything is fine. A couple of good people helped me to get it up, and everything is fantastic. There's a nice group around here, bikers are all around, and let's go and have fun. There she is in all of her glory. And don't forget, I bought here, exactly here, last time I bought that fuel tank, and it's full. I will not be using expensive petrol stations to get back home, because I came here with a full tank, and whenever it's finished I'll just stop and I fill it up from there, which is full on its own. So the petrol cost me 150 to £1.52 at a Tesco near Finchley, and everywhere I've been passing by is well over 160 to 170 something. So it was a good investment. So yeah, I'll tell you more when there's more to see. And in this case now, just enjoy the bikes. Enjoying the sun in the bikes. Got a mate who's got one of these. So the continuation of the weekend, stopping by the master. Hey Dids.
Who's that?
How's it going, Adrian?
Really good to see you, my friend.
Nice to see you.
Oh, it's been ages, isn't it?
It's been a long time.
We're looking back through my
couple of years maybe.
Yeah. I was looking back through my photograph when we met at Portsmouth.
Yeah.
In that museum. That was fantastic.
I met a couple of Royal engineers this weekend.
Yeah.
That's his shed.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry, not the shed.
Needs a clean.
No, it's not a shed.
It's not a shed.
It's called a man's cave.
Yeah.
The shed of dreams.
Yeah. Yeah.
So speak to you guys later.